This one, what color does it look? It looks purple, but it's magic. It'll be blue. So this is yellow and blue and green and red, I hope. And here's another red. So what color do you want to do first?
The lightest red.
The lightest red?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is lift up the spoon, and I want you to very gently put an egg on the spoon. Okay?
Okay.
Can you take one of the eggs and put it on the spoon?
Yeah.
Very carefully. Yeah. Let go. We've got to put it long ways like that, okay? And then we lower it in. Ooh. And then we have to let it sit there for a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
So we'll move it back. What other color do you want to do? Do you want to do them all? Let's do one of each.
Yeah, I want green now.
Okay, green. So pick up an egg.
Okay, how about this light one?
Yeah. And lay it flat. Good job. And I'll lower it in. Should we try this one?
Yeah.
This one I'm made with berries.
How about this one?
That one looks good.
I can't see the egg.
I know it disappeared.
Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because the dye is so dark. I can see the egg just a little bit. See it right there?
Yeah.
Okay. The dye is just so dark you can't see through it. Alright, let's try.
Yellow.
I need a little bit of water in that green one, I think. Yellow. This one is made from a spice called turmeric. And Mommy boils the water.
Why are red?
I'm not. It's still yellow. It's just the turmeric was all on the bottom. So let's take an egg. Okay. I didn't really think about these eggs being...
Yeah, I wonder why you didn't get white eggs today.
I didn't think about it.
Now how about that one again?
We didn't put one in here yet. This is the blue dye. Because you didn't remind me. I'm just kidding. Okay.
That one.
So we have to let them sit here for a couple minutes. Do you want to check on them?
Yeah.
Check on them. This one. Nothing yet.
Why does it look red through the cup?
Because you can see all the dye. Nothing yet.
Let's look at the yellow.
Let's put that one in. Nothing yet.
I might run to the store and get some
Let's check on that
actual
one.
eggs.
Yeah. What color is it?
It's late.
Nothing yet.
Yeah.
Let's check on it. The red
The
one.
other red one?
The dark red one.
I can't believe I did that. I wasn't really thinking. Ooh, that one's getting darker, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gentle. Gentle, please.